Hello and namaste to all of you. 30th of June 2026 फुल मून है. अगर ये रील 30th जून के पहले आपके फीड में आई है then this message was definitely meant to find you because this reading has no caption and no hashtag. तो अगर ये रील आपके फीड में आई है तो get ready for some action oriented partner who just wants to be with you. Yes, and maybe I'm just getting a feeling an ex return because Mercury retrograde हुआ है अभी. और Mercury basically ना हमारी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स जो भी चैप्टर हमने पूरी तरीके से क्लोज नहीं किए होते हैं, रीसर्फेसिंग ऑफ पास्ट, ये सब बहुत होता है. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज कमिंग. डेफिनेटली टुगेदरनेस, मैरिज, confession and turning. Enough. Oh my god. So we have togetherness, we have somebody confessing. मैंने स्टार्ट किया था कि मर्करी रेट्रोग्रेड हो रहा है जहाँ पे आपका कोई ना कोई पुराना चैप्टर खुलने वाला है. Somebody is gonna approach you and this time they're gonna tell you what you mean to them, and there is this confession card. Do you guys need any more clarity on this thing? Somebody is definitely coming here to confess their love for you, what they have never done in the past. मतलब, and this is coming so fast. This is coming so fast to you, and you haven't expected this. कि ये इंसान ऐसा भी बोल सकता है या ये इंसान ऐसे actions भी ले सकता है. There is marriage. There is the biggest turning point of your relationship is happening now. I can feel the energy. Whatever was hidden will not be hidden anymore. They are going to confess that how much they love you, and this time they are not coming for a short period of time, but yes, कुछ patterns हैं जो अभी भी repeat होंगे कि उनका hot and cold behavior, कभी escapism हो जाना, but that doesn't mean that this person of yours is running away from you. No, not at all. I am loving this energy and I want to see what more is coming for you in upcoming 7 days. Balance, we have the Chariot. Yes, somewhere I feel God is riding your chariot, and that's where all the justice is coming to you. Prabhu Shri Krishna is riding your chariot. He is there with you. Come to part 2 to dive deep in this reading. All right, close your eyes, connect with your partner's energy, and let's see who is this person who is coming to you and for what. The sun, the moon, पूरी galaxy कर रहे हो क्या? Close your eyes, connect with the partner's energy. You can connect with a special person. अगर no contact में हो, oh my god, अगर no contact में हो, then definitely something amazing is coming your way. You guys, Ace of Cups, King of Cups, Knight of Cups. This is purely a love reading. Oh my god. We had marriage cards, we had confession cards, we had love cards, we had turning point, we have, of course, अब प्लीज इस कार्ड को बहुत ध्यान से देखिए. ये इसमें प्रभु श्री कृष्ण जी रथ चला रहे हैं और उनके पीछे अर्जुन बैठा है. डेफिनेटली आपकी इस लव स्टोरी का पहली बार डी एंड तो नहीं हुआ है, बिकॉज यू गाइज in my previous reading also I was getting this thing that you guys have come out of a phase together stronger, because आपके ऊपर कहीं ना कहीं आपके प्रभु जिनको भी आप मानते हैं उनका साथ है, उनका हाथ है. यूनिवर्स इज गाइडिंग यू, एंड एज यू कैन सी प्रभु श्री कृष्ण जी इज ट्राइंग टू टेल अर्जुन समथिंग हु इज सिटिंग behind him, right? Yes, you're getting this clarity from the universe. While recording I saw 444, so yes, very much you're not ready also for this sort of commitment, for this sort of communication, for this sort of clarity. You always seek this clarity from partner, but at some point आपने बिल्कुल ही गिव अप कर दिया था कि मेरा पार्टनर तो इतना बोलेगा ही नहीं या बोलेगी ही नहीं कभी. but not anymore. Not anymore. This full moon, it's different energy altogether, guys. It's very different energy. I know from February end, March, somewhere around Holi, from that time onwards till June 3rd week, things have been very painful for you. I don't know why I'm getting this timeline, but yes, things were very confusing for you. You have cried day and night. You've lost the track of everything in your life, but not anymore. You guys have waited for something so patiently, and that is why, you know what? You and your partner, there were sleepless nights. You guys were up. And we have the moon card. There's a full moon coming. Double confirmation. Oh my God. All of your karmic lessons are done. There is this happiness. There is this clarity. There is this togetherness. There's this celebration. You guys celebrating life together, you know. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful. In whichever situation you guys were, you know, tied up, you're getting free from that. You're getting free from all the negativity, and you guys are coming to each other. You guys are actually like sun and moon. You guys complete each other. एक दिन में रोशनी देता है तो दूसरा रात में शांति लेके आता है. तो आप एक सिक्के के दो पहलू हो. That yin and yang energy. You guys complete each other on a very different level. और आप, I can feel this energy कि आप और आपके पार्टनर में काफ़ी सारी similarities भी हैं. Maybe उनके खाने की हैबिट, maybe उनकी पसंद नापसंद. You guys are very similar in so many different ways. Yeah. Let us take guidance for all of you, that what you can expect. Close your eyes, connect with the higher power, and let's see what's the guidance that is coming your way for you, what you can expect. The Emperor, and we have the King of Cups. You are getting somebody who is a provider, who is very strong. We have 2 the Sun. Oh my God, the Sun. This is my second deck, and from that also I'm getting Sun. There is new beginning, there is this freshness, and this year is also of the Sun. तो जितना भी एक चीज़ आ रही है मेरे दिमाग में, जितना भी अंधेरा था आपकी लाइफ में, आपके रिलेशनशिप में, आपके लव लाइफ में, जितनी भी आपकी आंखों में पट्टी बंधी हुई थी और आपके पार्टनर की आंखों में पट्टी बंधी हुई थी, जहाँ पे भी आप लोग का स्ट्रेंथ लैक कर रहा था, वो अब और नहीं. Because your God is riding your chariot. तो सन जैसा उजाला होना तो बनता है. This is the message that I'm getting for all of you. And yes, the person who is coming to you, he is a provider. It is not a gender-based reading, but still, your person is very clear. You know, King of Cups and the Emperor, ये ऐसी एनर्जी को पोर्ट्रे करता है जहाँ पे एक पर्सन काफ़ी स्टैब्लिश्ड ऑलरेडी हो चुका होता है, उसके दिमाग में ऑलरेडी क्लैरिटी होती है, तो वो इधर उधर भटकता नहीं है टू गेट सम अदर क्लैरिटी. तो जितना भी लैक हो रहा था आपके पर्सन का, इतना ज़्यादा यू नो ओवर थिंकिंग हो रहा था, स्लीपलेस नाइट्स हो रहा था, अब और नहीं. नॉट एट ऑल. दिस वॉज अ फेस and you guys have passed it so well, being each other's strength. Yes. The death, again, last time also I guess death का कार्ड आया था. There was this transformative journey जो आप लोगों ने पार की है. Yes. And this person is a provider. They are wise beyond their age, or maybe somewhere I feel there's age gap between you and your partner. Yes, this person of yours just not listen to you carefully and remembers everything, but also they are kind of they kind of that guiding light for you. They guide you in some or the other way. और उनकी एनर्जी से आप शाइन ही कर रहे हो अपने करियर में, अपनी लाइफ में, एंड समवेयर इवन यू गाइड देम इनडायरेक्टली, विच इवन यू डोंट नो. There is this childlike energy between you and your person, even if they are older to you or you are older to them. You know what? With each other, you become like this child. You just want to forget about the world, about everything. You two are so made for each other. Oh my God. I'm loving this energy. Please claim this energy by typing I am ready in the comment section, and do share this reel with your special person, or to manifest this reel you can even comment their name's initial, and let the universe, let God guide you and your person towards each other, towards a very healthy relationship. And yes, you can DM me for personal reading. While recording, I saw 1111, so huge manifestation. Your wishes are coming true. Take care. Jai Shri Ram.